In this video, we are going to go through step by step on how to apply for a US non-immigrant visa. I'm going to give you step by step on the process because the journey to get your visa approved started by the way you fill in your form and make everything get perfect. So if you are ready, let's go. Getting a non-immigrant visa for the United States of America can feel like navigating a Mars. But it's easier when you know the step, whether you are planning to go there to study, or whether you are planning to go there to work, or whether you are planning to go for a visit to explore the land. Understanding the US visa application process is key to succeed. Watch this video to the end and you will see and know how to make your journey a smoother one. So if you are ready, let's hit the road. Number one step is determine the right visa type that you wanted to apply. The first step in the US visa application process is determining which type of visa fits your purpose. Are you planning a vacation? You are likely need a B2 non-immigrant visa. Are you going there to start school? You need an F1 visa. Is your ticket. So there are various US visa types for visitors. We have student visa, workers visa, and more. Visit the US waiver program page to check if you qualify for a short-term trip without a visa. Choosing the correct type of visa is avoiding headache down the line. Number two is complete the DS-160 form. The DS-160 visa application form is your next step. The online form collects all the important information on details the US visa application process required, like your travel plans and the personal history. Be precise. Mistake can lead to delay. Then, if you wanted to complete your DS-160 form faster, I would like you to go in and read carefully the application form very well and make sure that you did not omit any line that you must fill. Fill it. If you don't know how to fill it, consult experts who will help you to fill it and get it right. Use tools that simplify the process and save time. You will also upload a digital photo that meet specific guidelines. So check those requirements carefully. Once submitted, you will get a confirmation page. Print it out and keep it safe. It is your golden ticket for the next step, including your visa appointment. Double check everything before hitting the submit button. The third step is pay your application fee. Time to handle the visa application process fee. Think of it as your ticket to the next step. Fees vary based on your visa type. So, cross-check the embassy or consulate website for the latest detail. Payments are usually made online or at designated bank. And don't forget to grab that receipt and keep it safe. If possible, make photocopies and keep it safe. It is a must for your visa appointment. Then I'm going to give you a pro tip. Double check that the payment method you use is accepted. This step officially confirms your spot in the US visa application process. Number four step is schedule your appointment visa interview. Now it's time to book your visa appointment at the nearest US embassy or consulate in your country. Head to their official website and follow the instruction to schedule your visa interview. Keep your visa application form, confirmation number, and the visa application process fee receipt handy. They are required for booking. Appointment can fill up faster, especially during high time season or what they call peak time travel season. So act quickly depending on your visa type. Wait time may vary, so plan accordingly. Once booked, make a note of the date, time, and the location. You don't want to miss your visa appointment or this step. Number five step is prepare for your visa interview. Preparation is key for a successful visa appointment. Gather all required documents, including your passport, visa application form, DS-160 confirmation page, and the visa application process fee receipt. Depending on your visa type, you may also need proof of finances, travel plan, or ties to your home country. This is very, very important in approving your visa. Tie in your home country is very, very important, and the means you will support yourself. These are very important documents that you must keep or bring along with you. Practicing answering common questions like why you are visiting the United States of America, honestly and confidently. Organize your paperwork for quick access. Fumbling isn't a good look. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in ensuring a smooth interview experience. Number 6 step I will give you is attend the visa interview. Your visa appointment date has arrived. Show up on time at the US Embassy or consulate. Dress neatly and with all your documents in hand. The officer will ask about your travel purpose, tied to your home country, and the ability to cover expenses. Answer truthfully and confidently. There is no need to overthink. Your visa type might require additional documents such as job offer or school acceptance. After the interview, the officer will inform you about the next step. Stay calm and trust your preparation. The next step, number 7, is visa approval. And the next step, if your non-immigrant visa is approved, congratulations, you will hear your passport. Now, sporting a shiny new visa will be returned via courier or available for pickup. Detail varied by location. If additional processing is required, don't panic. Just provide any additional information requested from you promptly. Once you have your visa, double check its detail, including the visa type and the validity date, to ensure accuracy. With your passport in hand, you are ready to enter the United States for your approved purpose. Keep it safe. It is your ticket to your next adventure. Want more tips? Join us on this video. I will make sure that we continue to update you. So applying for a non-immigrant visa doesn't have to be stressful. Start early to avoid delay and double check all forms for accuracy. Use the official US Embassy or consulate website for reliable instruction on the US visa application process. Keep all your documents like visa application form, Form I-9, and the payment receipt organized and ready. Follow the photo guideline closely to avoid rejection. Lastly, stay calm and confident during your appointment. This small step can save time and make the process much easier. Your path to the US start here, okay? Searching a non-immigrant visa is all about preparation and the attention to detail. By following this step, you are setting yourself up for success. Don't let confusion or delay hold you back. Take charge of your application today. Your journey to the United States of America starts here. Ready to take the first step? Go for it. I wish you all the best, and I see you in my next video. God bless you.